when you have a broken mirror like this. I'll show you how to fix that right now. Okay, so first thing first, you have to go get yourself a mirror. I had to go get it at the dealership because I couldn't find an aftermarket for this. So that's what the new mirror looks like. So there's clips at the back. So here you can see that those clips here will click in, and then those clips here, those are for the top. So for the top, you push it in and it clicks in. So we're gonna have to remove this one, and then we'll pop this one up right after. So just so that you guys know what to expect, this mirror here is expensive from the dealer. It's the Mopar part there. So it was $100 Canadian plus tax to buy this. So the first thing you do is you push it so it goes all the way down like this. Now that you have the mirror all the way down like this, you're gonna put your fingers in the back and pry it. I'll put the phone down because it's better if you pry from both sides at the same time. Put your fingers in the back of it and you just pull. Now that unclips the top of it. I'll show you. So what we just did by pulling it, it's, you see those, can you guys see those tab in here? And then there's one on the other side here, if it can focus. That's it there. So those two tabs on the new mirror, that's those two top one. This one and that one. So those, they just hook in here. All right, and then now just have to be careful with the wire here. So now that it's like this, you can just lift the mirror up. Wiggle it a little bit. There you go. Now I just take it out of those tab here by lifting it a bit and then bring it back out like that. So now the only thing that we have to do, because those are heated mirror, so we just have to undo those two connections here, and then yeah, that's it. We can take it out. You'll have to reuse those two clips. Those clips here, it's just for the position sensor so that the mirror knows when it rotates where to stop. So I'll have to reuse those two clips on the new mirror. Okay, so now we're just unclipping those two wires. Doesn't matter if it's left or right when you put it back in, because it just runs the power right through. So it doesn't matter which way it's coming, which way it's going. There you go. So now I had to wiggle those two like this, if you can see that. So now to remove those are pretty easy here. So you just have to lift it above the little pin. There's a little pin, I don't know if you can see that. If I can move it here. It's a little pin here. So you just need to move this and slide above. I just did one. It wasn't on camera though. So anyway, I'll push it back and I'll show you again. So you lift the edge up and then you pull towards you. And then it just slides right out. Those are the exact same size, so it doesn't matter which one you put where. Same here, pull this up, and slide it out. Okay, so now we're gonna install them on the new mirror and pop it in. So here's our brand new mirror. So those pins, they go here. Just slide it in, push it. It doesn't really sound like it's clicking, but as long as you're past those little pin here, then you're good. Okay, so now the first thing that we want to do, so we'll bring the mirror in like this, and then we're trying to get it close to the pins. But we're going to connect our wire here too. So let's connect our wire. One wire connected, two wire connected. Okay, so now we'll have to clip into here. Okay, so now to clip it and raise the mirror in an angle a little bit. It's gonna hit here, so you need to go underneath this bracket here. So a little bit on an angle. Now they're just started, but they're not clipped in. So now we're gonna push the mirror in. Okay, and now I can start raising it. Oh, I just have to go a little bit further. Oh, there you go. You heard it click there. So now your mirror can pivot. Don't force it, like push like this. If it doesn't go like that, that's because the pins are not in far enough, so you have to push it down more. Okay, and now that it's like that, the only thing you have to do is just push it back up. Those two pins here, they go on, they slide into the inside of those bracket here. Okay, so when you push it, make sure that those pins are gonna go underneath. See, this one's not going underneath, it's going above. So I just have to push it to make sure it's going underneath. Like that. Same for this one. Push it down a bit. Okay, so now the mirror is against the bracket here. And we're just gonna give it a push from each side. There we go. Now you heard that click. And now it's nice and solid in here. So that's all there is to it to replace those mirror. Just try it to make sure that everything turns properly. Okay, so now I'm in the truck. Put the left mirror, because it's the one we just changed, the driver's side. Passenger side is going to be the exact same. So now we're just going to activate side to side and up and down and make sure that everything moves properly. Okay, left side, perfect. Right side, perfect. I'll put it back in the center. We're gonna go up, and we're going to go back down. And then you want to make sure that you do this last step, because that's gonna show you that you end up putting those little guiding pin at the proper spot. If they're not at the proper spot and you didn't put it underneath the bracket, then that mirror is not going to move properly, or it's gonna catch. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we're done replacing that mirror. Everything went perfect, good, fast. Hopefully you find that video useful, and then please click like and subscribe. I got a lot more video like this coming up.